It's a nice size. All right, cousin Jerry. So little. No, it's so there's no one here except for one person, and it's really low. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Never know unless you try, right? So we're gonna be going right down there on that little wall looking thing. Alright, cousin Jerry's bobber's going down. We'll see. Nothing? It was underwater for a long time. You sure? No dice. Good morning, everybody. Charlie here. Me and Primo Jerry, he's back there. We just came to do some river fishing. Been doing a lot of lake fishing. What's crazy is that I threw that pole is behind the camera over there. As we were setting up the other poles, threw it in. Before you know it, that thing was bent down, and we had no idea. We just heard the drag. We managed to pull it into the bank, but it came out right at the bank because it got tangled with this other line. So we're hoping to have a good day today. Yeah, me and Primo Jerry. Primo! There he is over there. So I'm gonna let the camera roll. See if we can repeat what just happened. Got one, Primo. Coming. There he is. There's the bill going. A drum? On the shrimp? Nice. I'm a coming. Did you bring your net or no? No. See if we could grab them with this. It's a nice size. All right, cousin Jerry. Get himself a little drum. No, it's a buffalo, Primo. Buffalo. Buffalo. That's insane. It was weird. I was about to throw the rock that way and I was like, not bad. Busy morning. Lost one earlier right at the bank. My cousin Jerry got a pretty decent sized buffalo. Thought it was a drum at first, but too bad it ain't summertime for gar. Some gar bait. There she is. Cousin Jerry, first one on the board. Sweet. All right, Primo, keep up the good work. Look at that beautiful buck. Can you see him? Wow, that is so cool. Look at zoom in. There Yeah, we're calling it a day. We're heading home. Primo, say bye-bye.